Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try.
Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to review this beautiful wig from WavyMyHair. I've actually introduced their company before and I really love their wig, so I'm going to try it on. It's a 4x4 closure wig, and then it came in this beautiful box. WavyMyHair. You can also follow them on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and also you can check their website in the description box down below. This is how the hair looks, and the density is 180. It has 2 combs on the side, one at the back, one in the middle. I rarely use this middle comb. I'm going to try it on and just comment down below guys if you really love this hair, and also if you're interested in this wig, kindly check the description box down below for their details, their website and how you can contact them. Okay, so just in case maybe you feel it's loose, what you're going to do, you're going to crisscross these straps at the back. Like if you really want your wigs to fit, just take this strap and insert it this side like this, and then pull this other one to this other side and insert it like that, just to make it fit very well. But then if that is if you feel like the cap is maybe big, that's what you can do, and then go ahead and wear it. So let me just try it on before I cut the lace. This is how it looks before cutting the lace. Brush it to make it fuller.
You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
I'm going to apply concealer on the lace just to make it blend, just to make the wig blend well with the complexion. And first of all, also going to apply some water before I apply the concealer, because I always feel like if I apply some water, or if I spray some water on the lace and then apply concealer, I always feel like the concealer sticks on the lace and I don't have to apply it every time I want to put the wig on. Let me first of all try the side part. If you're a fan of side part. So guys, before I spray some water on this hair, do you love it like this? It's kind of longer in front, and then at the back it's short, just to give it that natural shape. And I haven't applied any product on it yet, and this is how it looks.
We all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Every time close to being forsaken. Oh, on my own now. Feels like home in our ruins. Followed you into the night. Couldn't let you leave once you leave. Oh, nothing less come daylight. Come daylight.
That was it for today, guys. So if you're interested in this wig from WavyMyHair, I'll leave the details in the comment section down below, so you can contact them and you will get this beautiful hair. That was it for today, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.